I request Honorable Chairman, Bar Council of India, Vice Chairman, Mr. Prabhakaran and other members, Bar Council of India, to please escort the Honorable Chief Justice of India and other dignitaries on the dais. As I have been telling you, Honorable Chief Justice of India is very punctual. And we had announced that he would be here sharp at 11 o'clock. May I request the Honorable Chairman, Bar Council of India, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra ji, and Honorable Members, Bar Council of India, to escort the Honorable Chief Justice of India and other dignitaries on the dais. We welcome Justice Saurabh Banerjee, Judge, Delhi High Court. We welcome Honorable Justice Prateek Jalan, Judge, Delhi High Court. We welcome Honorable Justice Surya Kant, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Thank you very much, sir. Members, Bar Council of India are requested to please escort the honorable guest on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, we have today with us the Honorable Chief Justice of India. We also have Honorable Justice Rishikesh Roy, Honorable Justice Sandeep Mehta, Honorable Justice Sanjay Kumar, Judges, Supreme Court of India. And we also have from Delhi, Honorable Justice Vibhu Bakhru, Honorable Justice C. Harishankar, Honorable Justice Prateek Jalan, Honorable Justice Tushar Rao, Honorable Justice Saurabh Banerjee, Honorable Justice Amit Sharma, and Honorable Justice Dharmesh Sharma. Honorable Justice Vishwanathan from Supreme Court of India, hearty welcome, sir. To begin the proceedings, first of all, a very happy Guru Parv to all of you. गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज के प्रकटोत्सव पर आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Friends, felicitating Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna, is a joyous and momentous occasion for Bar Council of India. The life and career of Justice Sanjeev Khanna exemplify a steadfast commitment to justice and fairness. Having known Justice Khanna for over 30 years, personally, I have witnessed firsthand his unwavering dedication to the profession of law. I can still vividly recall Justice Khanna, a young advocate, at Delhi High Court, walking briskly from lawyers parking to his chamber, pulling his trolley bag, laden with case files, always arriving much before the courts began their day. He personifies simplicity, humility, and is remarkably down to earth. I would now request the Honorable Chief Justice of India and the dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the ceremonial lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते।
Thank you very much, sir. I would now request the Honorable Chairman Bar Council of India, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna ji, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Hrishikesh Roy, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Viswanathan Saab, Honorable Mr. Justice Mehta Saab, the Honorable Judges of Delhi High Court, Honorable Chairman and members of various state bar councils, the office bearers of High Court Bar Associations, the Honorable office bearers and members of Supreme Court Bar Association, the members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Namaskar to all of you. Today we have gathered in this hall to celebrate a new chapter in the career of an esteemed jurist and to honor the legacy, dedication and vision of Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who ascends to the office of the 51st Chief Justice of India. This is a day for reflection, respect and recognition. A day when we honor a lifetime dedication to justice, fairness, and the constitutional ideals that bind our nation together. Justice Khanna's journey to this high office is the story of an individual who has pursued justice with an unyielding commitment to core principles. Born on 14th May 1960, in a family closely connected with the judicial legacy of our nation, Justice Khanna was instilled early with the values of integrity and courage. His father, late Justice Devraj Khanna of Delhi High Court, and his uncle, Justice Hansraj Khanna, are names representing judicial courage who were instrumental in shaping his values. We all remember Justice Hansraj Khanna for his dissent in the ADM Jabalpur case, where he stood alone to uphold the principles of individual rights and judicial independence in one of India's most testing times. This legacy of courage is more than just history. And as lawyers of Supreme Court, we find that it is a tradition that Justice Sanjeev Khanna has inherited very well. He carries this tradition forward with grace, conviction, and integrity. Justice Khanna began his legal journey in 1983, enrolling with Bar Council of Delhi. Over the next 2 decades, he built an illustrious career, practicing in diverse areas of arbitration, environmental law, taxation, and corporate matters. In February 2006, he was appointed as a permanent judge of Delhi High Court, where his rulings began to reflect his commitment to balance the technicalities of law with empathy and justice. In January 2019, he was elevated to the Supreme Court, a move recommended by the then Chief Justice, Hon'ble Justice Gogoi. Justice Khanna's judgments are not just exercises in legal reasoning, but they are reflections of deep insight into the role that judiciary plays in the lives of ordinary citizens. His dedication to justice is evident in each of his decisions, from family law to constitutional matters, from commercial disputes to electoral reforms. One of Justice Khanna's recent landmark contributions was in 2024 judgment on VVPAT verification. Leading a division bench, he dismissed the plea seeking 100% verification of VVPAT slips, reaffirming the Election Commission's safeguards and underscoring the integrity of our electoral process. One of Justice Khanna's most significant contributions came in 2024 on electoral bond scheme. In 2023, his role in decision regarding Article 370 was a landmark moment in India's constitutional history. In this case, Justice Khanna was part of 5-judge bench that upheld the abrogation of Article 370. Justice Khanna has made a lasting impact in the sphere of family law, particularly with his groundbreaking 2023 ruling in Shilpa Shaile's case, where he invoked Article 142 to introduce irretrievable breakdown as a valid ground for divorce. This landmark judgment is widely regarded as revolutionary, infusing compassion into family law by addressing the complexities of modern relationship with a focus on empathy and fairness. Justice Khanna recognized that marriage, like any other relationship, may reach a point where reconciliation is no longer viable, and the Supreme Court must respond to these realities. His decision underscored that personal well-being and happiness are integral aspects of justice. Such sensitivity reflects to Justice Khanna's forward-looking approach. Justice Khanna's commitment to transparency was also clearly visible in his 2019 ruling on Right to Information Act, where he held that Office of the Chief Justice of India is subject to RTI. In the field of commercial law, Justice Khanna's contributions have been equally transformative. In 2023, he provided clarity on the interaction between the Arbitration Act and Indian Stamp Act. His ruling by a 7-judge bench stated that the unstamped arbitration agreement is inadmissible, though not void. This distinction is crucial to the safeguarding fairness in the arbitration process. In 2023, a case of Anna Matthews, Justice Khanna provided a pivotal interpretation on the standards of judicial appointments. He made a clear distinction between eligibility and suitability, laying down that while eligibility and objective criterion outlined in Article 217 should be subject to judicial review, suitability should remain beyond its scope. In ONGC versus Afcon's case, Justice Khanna ruled that arbitrators cannot unilaterally determine their fees, reflecting his advocacy for balanced and fair arbitration practices. Beyond his judicial contributions, Justice Khanna is a staunch advocate for accessible justice. Through his work with the National Legal Services Authority, he has strived to make justice accessible to marginalized communities. Justice Khanna's journey also highlights the essential relationship between the bench and the bar. He understands that advocates are not merely representatives of their clients, but are in many ways voices for the people. He has always seen the bar as a vital partner in the pursuit of justice, recognizing that the work of judiciary and advocates complements each other in serving the public good. As we celebrate Justice Khanna's elevation, we are also celebrating the values he represents: the courage, the compassion, the transparency, the unyielding commitment to upholding the rule of law. His judgments reflect a vision of justice that is responsive to societal needs, a judiciary that not only interprets laws but understands the human impact of every decision. In an era where technology affects nearly every aspect of our lives, our judiciary has a critical role in balancing innovation with regulation, individual rights with collective security, and information accessibility with privacy. Justice Khanna's judgments reflect his capacity to tackle such issues with insight and wisdom. His emphasis on transparency, fairness, accountability is a guiding principle that will undoubtedly help the judiciary navigate these uncharted waters. As Chief Justice, Justice Khanna will also face the task of strengthening judiciary's relationship with the bar, an alliance built on trust, respect, and mutual commitment of justice. Under his guidance, the bar will continue to be a powerful force, not only in legal battles, but in pursuit of broader social justice. Justice Khanna understands that the most effective legal system is one where the bench and bar collaborate harmoniously, each supporting the other in serving the public good. Sir, today, strikes, boycotts, and abstinence are the most burning problems. The Bar Councils of States and Bar Council of India are trying their level best to control and tackle these unfortunate growing situations. We have taken strong actions and have suspended many disgruntled and unruly elements. Through the process of verification of certificates, we have already ousted several thousand fake lawyers who are mainly responsible for creating nuisances and giving the uncalled for baseless calls for strikes and boycotts. The Honorable Supreme Court has fully supported this important move of Bar Council of India, and most probably within a year, we would be able to fully weed out the fake lawyers from every bar of the country. The high-powered committee constituted by Supreme Court under the chairmanship of Justice Deepak Gupta is supervising the process of verification, and though the elections of state bar councils are getting a little bit delayed, but the new elections after the complete verification will give a new birth to the state bar councils and Bar Council of India. On behalf of everyone here, I offer our warmest congratulations to Justice Khanna. We have great faith that under his stewardship, the judiciary will continue to evolve as a pillar of fairness, a defender of democracy, and a pillar of integrity. He will lead a judiciary that not only responds to the needs of present, but prepares for the challenges of the future also. Sir, we thank you for your service, your dedication, and your relentless pursuit of justice. We look forward to your leadership with hope and pride, confident that you will uphold the values that make our judiciary a cornerstone of our democracy. Sir, your tenure as the Chief Justice will no doubt be marked by wisdom, fairness, and commitment to the ideals that you have embodied throughout your career. We wish you a successful tenure as the Chief Justice of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaskar.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Chairman, sir. Honorable Chief Guest, sir, we have today representatives and members of State Bar Council from each state of the country. There are presidents and office bearers of the High Court Bar Associations also, of different High Court State Bar Association. Traditionally, we enable all members who have come here, traveling almost thousands of kilometers, some of them, to come on the dais and to greet the Honorable Chief Guest. So we beseech your patience and time to enable the members of the State Bar Councils to come here personally to offer their greetings. So I would now start with the delegates from Assam. Now members, Assam State Bar Council, led by Bar Council of India member Mr. Apurva Kumar Sharma, please come here. Please come and quickly. And a earnest request, please don't take any selfie on the dais. Please don't take any photograph from the well area. We have got our official photographers. And after Assam, Andhra Pradesh, be ready. Mr. Chinmay Chaudhary, Mr. Dilip Chaudhary, Mr. Hafiz Rashid Ahmed Chaudhary, Mr. Gajanan Saiwala, Mr. Kamal Nayan Chaudhary, and Mr. Girin Pegu. Please move forward quickly. ये जरा उनको बुला. Please move forward. अपूर्वा जी आगे चलो यार. Andhra Pradesh, please come forward. Andhra Pradesh, you can come here. And after Andhra, Telangana. Andhra Pradesh, please be ready. Andhra se?
Yes. Chairman Dwaraknath, can you give it?
Andhra Pradesh, Chairman Mr. N. Dwarkanath Reddy and other members, Mr. S. Krishna Mohan, Mr. K. Chidambaram, Mr. N. Shrihari. Please be quick.
Please tell my name, Mr. Vardhan Reddy, first.
Mr. Rami Reddy is leading this delegation from Andhra. Rami Reddy, member of Bar Council of India. And from Telangana, the next contingent, led by Mr. Vishnuvardhan Reddy, from Telangana. Mr. A. Narasimha Reddy, Mr. K. Sunil Gaud, Mr. Jitendra Reddy, Mr. Rama Rao, Mr. Konda Reddy, Mr. Jakir Hussain, Mr. Jakar Baira Paka, Mr. Kiran Palka Kurti, Mr. Faninder Bhargav. Vishnuji, please move quickly. And Bihar, be ready. Bihar. Ramakant Sharma ji, Chairman, Bihar State Bar Council, please bring your members here in the well. It will come in Karnataka, isn't it? Bihar, please. There is a large contingent from Bihar. Please be ready. Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, Bihar State Bar Council. leads the delegates from Bihar, Delhi. And after Bihar, it is going to be Delhi. Mr. Surya Prakash Khatri. Please move forward quickly.
इस बार चीफ जस्टिस को हम लोग पहले
करेंगे, बाद में करेंगे। हाँ, हम वो मोमेंट भी देंगे ना, तो सब आ जाएंगे सारे।
ओ देंगे तो सब
दिल्ली दिल्ली। अरे ये कौन है? प्लीज हटो यहाँ से। नो 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 नो, हटाओ इनको यहाँ से। नो, please don't take any photograph from the well, please. No photography from the well area. Please maintain order, please. You can take your seat, gentlemen. Please go and take your seat. And Delhi, be ready. Mr. Surya Khatri, Mr. K.C. Mittal, Mr. Sanjeev Nasyar, Mr. Kumar Mukesh, Mr. D.K. Singh, Mr. R.N. Wast, Mr. Ajay Sondhi, Mr. Himal Akhtar. Yes. And I am leading the group.
बड़े पीछे रहे हैं।
गुजरात, छत्तीसगढ़ से कितने आए? एंड फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़ Mr. Shailendra Dubey, member Bar Council of India, the lone representative from Chhattisgarh. गुजरात आ गया, रोको। हाँ, इनके साथ चले जाओ। मैं उड़ीसा आएगी, 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 उड़ीसा भी आएगी। बैठो। चलिए, छत्तीसगढ़ मिस्टर शैलेंद्र दुबे, दुबे जी आगे बढ़िए। एंड गुजरात मिस्टर दलीप पटेल with his members J.J. Patel, Mukesh Kamdar, Mr. Nalin D. Patel, Brijesh Trivedi. Mr. Dalip Patel, please move forward. Go. Himachal Pradesh, be ready. हिमाचल,
Two members, Mr. from Telangana, don't announce. We'll go and just.
हाँ बोलेंगे नहीं, सिर्फ बाकरू साहब से पूछो, बाकरू साहब पूछ लो। अरे बुलाएंगे, दिल्ली वालों में आना था ना आपको। चलो अभी जाओ, जाओ मैडम। गुजरात हो गया, हिमाचल, हिमाचल चलिए प्लीज। अब आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है। झारखंड अभी आ रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट झारखंड भी रेडी, झारखंड
जस्टिस बाथरू बोलेंगे।
बोलेंगे।
तो ये अमित शर्मा के बगल में कौन बैठे हैं?
नहीं बस एक ही बहुत,
हैं?
एक ही बहुत, एक ही बहुत।
अमित शर्मा के बगल में कौन बैठे हैं?
यही
हाँ, वही तो बैठे
हाँ वही बोलेंगे।
वो बोल रहे हैं,
ठीक है,
भाकुर साहब बोल रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
जस्टिस ऋषिकेश रॉय साहब,
हाँ मैं कर दूँ।
भाकुर साहब।
आप नहीं मानेंगे। मैम प्लीज, नो नो फोटोग्राफ फ्रॉम द वेल एरिया प्लीज। यस झारखंड, झारखंड यस। आपका मिस्टर प्रशांत कुमार सिंह इज लीडिंग द डेलीगेशन फ्रॉम झारखंड। एक ही बॉम्ब है, यू कैन राइट। ये सिर्फ स्पीच देंगे मिस्टर बाकरू। हाँ ये नहीं आ रहे स्टेज पे, ला यार। झारखंड हो गया, कर्नाटका, कर्नाटका, कर्नाटका प्लीज कम। सदाशिव रेड्डी जी अभी आएगा, आएगा। हाँ आफ्टर कर्नाटका केरला, सदाशिव रेड्डी जी इज लीडिंग द डेलीगेशन। यार आएगा अल्फाबेटिकली, दिस इज अल्फाबेटिकली।
Kerala and Yogamaya and Mini also. Okay, sir.
योगमाया,
Mini, Mini.
केरला Mr. Manoj N, Member Bar Council of India, is leading the group from Kerala. Mr. T.S. Ajit, Mr. Yashwant Shenoy, Mr. Anup V. Nair, Yog Maya, Mr. Minni. Please come forward, Kerala. You can go ahead. Manoj, go ahead, please. नेक्स्ट मध्य प्रदेश। पटेल खुद वायलेट कर रहा है। मध्य प्रदेश मिस्टर जितेंद्र कुमार शर्मा। हाँ आ गए आप लोग, ठीक है। चेयरमैन मिस्टर राधेलाल गुप्ता, मेंबर सुनील गुप्ता, राजेश कुमार पांडे, राजेश कुमार शुक्ला, जितेंद्र शर्मा जी आ गए, संदीप मेहता, कैनाज ईरानी, अच्छा ये महाराष्ट्र एंड गोवा, प्लीज बी रेडी. महाराष्ट्र एंड गोवा. मिस्टर आशीष देशमुख. बोल जब इनका आए ना मुझे बता दियो. After Maharashtra, Odisha, be ready. Yes, Maharashtra and Goa, move forward. Odisha. Mr. Bhakt Bhushan Barik, Member Bar Council of India, leads the delegation from Odisha. यार ये हमारे ही मेंबर यहाँ से ले रहे हैं मोबाइल हैं. बुलाएंगे मुझे बता देना. एससीबी के जो आए हैं नाम ले देना उनके कौन कौन आए नाम लिख के दो. ये उड़ीसा गया. पंजाब एंड हरियाणा बी रेडी. Mr. Suvir Sidhu is leading the delegation from Punjab and Haryana. Dr. Vijender Elawat, Chairman. Mr. Chetan Verma, Vice Chairman. Mr. Karamjit Singh Chaudhary, Honorary Secretary. Rajkumar Chauhan, Lekh Raj Sharma, Karanjit Singh, Surendra Dutt Sharma, Gurtej Singh Grewal, Ajay Chaudhary. Mr. Jasdev Barar.
भाई साहब राम राम जी सुरेंद्र.
Mr. Parveen Daya, Mr. Inder Barar. Punjab and Haryana. जहां दूध दही का खाना. सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्लीज डोंट स्टैंड इन द वेल एक्सेप्ट फोटोग्राफर्स. नोबडी विल स्टैंड इन द वेल. प्लीज टेक योर चेयर. प्लीज गो टू योर चेयर्स. Please be comfortable on your chairs. Please, Sardar ji. Please follow the order. Please. No, this is not good. Please go to your chairs. You can take the photographs from our official photographers. There is no dearth of it. Please move forward. Please take your chairs. Don't stand here. आप हाथ जोड़े हैं आपसे प्लीज. राजस्थान प्लीज कम. अच्छा अब राजस्थान है यहां आ जाना था. फ्रॉम राजस्थान मिस्टर Shirimali, Suresh Chand Shirimali is member from Rajasthan in Bar Council of India. Unfortunately, he has met with an accident and is not present today. But the delegation from Rajasthan led by Mr. Bhuvanesh Sharma, Chairman, Mr. Kuldeep Kumar Sharma, Mr. Ratna Ram Tholia, Mr. Shiva Barwar, Mr. Prahlad Sharma. They are all present, please. Mr. Prahlad Sharma, yes. And then Tamil Nadu, be ready. You please come and stand here. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Prabhakaran ji.
chairman is ready.
Mr. Prabhakaran S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, is leading the delegation with Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, State Bar Council of Tamil Nadu. You can move forward, push them.
Chalo, not chalo. How many years of practice? How many years of practice? आइए ना अटल जी आइए
Tamil Nadu, you can go. Mr. M.K. Suresh from Tamil Nadu, please join your delegation. Go. जब दिलवाएंगे अभी जो है ना जब वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट बाहर आएगी ना तो उनका बोल देंगे हाँ आप यूपी में आ जाइए अरे मैम का लिखिए अंजुल द्विवेदी और कौन है नोट आप मुझे बता देना मैं अनाउंस कर दूँगा अंजुल द्विवेदी Now the members from UP State Bar Council. UP. Yes. UP State Bar Council. Mr. Srinath Tripathi and Mr. Shiv Kishore God, Chairman, State Bar Council of UP. Please. Mr. Janki Sharan Pandey, Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Avasthi, Jainarayan Pandey, Prahlad Singh Atal, Arun Kumar Tripathi, Shirish Kumar Mehlotra, Pankaj Mishra, Ajay Yadav, Imran Mehboob Khan, Ajay Kumar Shukla, Devendra Mishra, Pradeep Kumar Singh, Panchuram Maurya, Hari Shankar Singh, Rohtas Agrawal, Balwant Singh, D.S. Mehta, Balwant Singh. And then we have Anjul Dwivedi, Sai Girdhar, Mohit Dwivedi, and Ashwani Mishra from UP. Please move forward quickly. अनुराग तिवारी बोला है अनुराग तिवारी Gentlemen, please no photography from the well, please. Please take your chair. नाम बोलना मुझे अंजुल द्विवेदी बोल दिया बोल दिया We welcome Mr. Mohit Mathur, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association. Mohit ji, you can come with the Supreme Court delegation. High Court का और Supreme Court इकट्ठा कर देते हैं ये मुझे बताइए कि ये क्या नाम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की शुरू करा दें नहीं अभी कहाँ हो गए फिर एंड में करा दें चलो ठीक है राजेश को हटा दे यहाँ उत्तराखंड डी के शर्मा जी मेंबर्स उत्तराखंड स्टेट बार काउंसिल, बुलाइए सबको, बुलाइए। नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। मिस्टर DS मेहता, वीरेंद्र रावत, महेंद्र सिंह पाल, कुलदीप कुमार सिंह, सुरेंद्र पुंडीर, राकेश गुप्ता, रंजन सोलंकी, अनिल पंडित, राजवीर सिंह बेस्ट, लेड बाय मिस्टर DK शर्मा, मेंबर बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया। मिस्टर मेहराम सिंह कोरंगा, अभी है, वेस्ट मणिपुर लास्ट है। त्रिपुरा एंड मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा एंड मणिपुर, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड। From Tripura, Miss Kakali Dev. Ma'am, please come. मणिपुर मिस्टर S, बस लास्ट आगे, बस उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार के हैं। मिस्टर S ब्रिज बिहारी सिंह, मिस्टर L जयंता रॉय, मिस्टर L शशि भूषण फ्रॉम मणिपुर। प्लीज यू कैन गो विद त्रिपुरा। एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, हाई कोर्ट से भी बुलाए, एंड हाई कोर्ट, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, प्लीज कम। यस, रचना श्रीवास्तवा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन। मिस्टर विक्रांत यादव, सेक्रेटरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, प्लीज कम। सीनियर एडवोकेट मिस्टर PH पारेख, मिस्टर संजय, आ जाओ, अरे आ जाओ। चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई नहीं, ठीक है। नाम क्या है ये? संजय मूली। मिस्टर संजय मूली, सीनियर एडवोकेट। नंदिनी गुजर, मुकेश कुमार सिंह, सुशील तोमर, संदीप सिंह, मिस सगमिता त्रिपाठी। इधर से आइए प्लीज, इधर से आइए, इधर से नहीं। मिस्टर अरिजीत प्रसाद, सीनियर एडवोकेट। मिस्टर आशीष सिन्हा, योग माया।
संदीप सिंह सर, संदीप सिंह सर, संदीप सिंह सर,
मिस्टर संदीप,
यस, एंड सर विक्रांत राणा सर,
विक्रांत राणा।
और सर अमित वाधवा रह गए सर, अमित वाधवा जी रह गए सर मेंबर, सर अमित वाधवा मेंबर, अमित वाधवा जी।
मिस्टर अमित वाधवा, आदिश अग्रवाल, सॉरी, राजीव खोसला, यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन। हाँ, ये नाम इन्होंने दिए हैं भाई मुझे। मिस महालक्ष्मी पावनी, सीनियर एडवोकेट, महालक्ष्मी पावनी, प्लीज। हाँ, we welcome Mr. Jagdeep was President Patiala House Bar Association. You can join this and today, please. Mahalakshmi ji, please. Thanks for your patience. मैं जाऊं? चलने दो, अब क्या करें। So this is the last leg of this formality, last leg, and thanks for your patience, Honorable CJI sir. हाँ भाई, अब क्या रह गया? Scora, yes, the members of Scora, please. President कौन है? Mr. Vipin Nair leads the Vipin Nair, Nikhil Jain, members Scora Executive Committee, please come forward. Mr. Kaustav Shukla. हो गया चलो हो गया
सेक्रेटरी ट्रेजरर
हाँ सबको बोल दिया कौन है सबका बोला है मिस्टर सुशील तोमर ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन मिस्टर हरिहरन सीनियर एडवोकेट दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट मिस अमृत कौर ओबराय है नहीं है या नहीं है मंजीत ओबराय डन सर थैंक यू वेरी मच सर यहां दे देना प्लीज टेक योर चेयर्स प्लीज बी कंफर्टेबल ऑन योर सीट्स those who are standing in this passage please take your chair Mr. S.B. Upadhyay, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court. Mr. Ravi Shankar Kumar. Mr. Mohapatra. हाँ, चलो हो गया ओवर बस अब मैं प्रभाकर मिस्टर गुरु कृष्णा कुमार सीनियर एडवोकेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया गुरु कृष्णा कुमार जी बोलेंगे सबसे पहले वही बोलेंगे प्रभाकरन से पहले या प्रभाकरन के बाद
नहीं योगेश कुमार फर्स्ट देन प्रभाकरन देन अटॉर्नी
मिस्टर आर बाला सुब्रमण्यम बालू जी प्लीज गुरु कुमार मिस्टर देवे दिनकर प्लीज now it's over now it's all over this process is over now the felicitation address गुरु कुमार जी का क्या नाम बता देंगे मिस्टर गुरु कुमार सीनियर एडवोकेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट will deliver the felicitation address Mr. Guru Kumar गुरु कृष्णा है ना हाँ कहाँ पर है
My humble greetings to this distinguished gathering consisting of dignitaries on the dais, Honorable the Chief Justice of India, the Attorney General, Mr. Manan Mishra, Mr. Prabhakaran, Mr. Sharma, off the dais, the Honorable Supreme Court judges, and the judges of the Delhi High Court. It is just for want of time and to save time that I am not naming each one of the judges. My apologies for not naming each one of them separately. Mr. Manan Mishra seems to be having his way in springing surprises. I was just called suddenly to the dais to offer a bouquet to the Honorable Chief Justice as a matter of felicitation. And suddenly he says, please take the mic. The only problem is, as it is, senior advocates have this dubious distinction of being capable of speaking without any preparation in court. Now by Mr. Mishra asking me to speak here, he appears to be conveying the message, whether it be a court or a congregation, senior advocates can just come and speak without a preparation. The only saving grace for me is that I am now speaking on a very happy occasion. We are here to felicitate years and decades of hard work which have culminated in the Chief Justiceship of Justice Sanjeev Khanna. It's a matter of great pride for all of us that a self-made judge who's known for his firmness and at the same time fairness, who's known for his courage of conviction, a no-nonsense judge who, by sheer dint of hard work and seminal contribution to the cause of justice, has ascended to the highest office of Chief Justice of India. And for all of us in the judicial fraternity, it's a matter of great pride that someone like Justice Sanjeev Khanna has become the Chief Justice of India, known for his simplicity and, if I may say so, a completely down-to-earth approach to men and matters and handling of cases. Even the most complex of cases, he goes about handling them in a very matter-of-fact manner, which lends tremendous amount of authenticity and humaneness to the entire approach. And situations abound, and we as counsel, appearing before him day after day in court, can say this. We think we are before the court with a good preparation, but every second case, I can say without fear of contradiction, there's always a factual nuance which we may have missed. So much so, we invite the comment of the court saying, 1 minute please, there is another fact which you need to see. And there's another fact which has not been seen. And this is something which is a speciality of Justice Khanna. You can never get into his court without proper preparation, particularly on the facts. One might think, with about 60 to 70 cases on board, that it is likely that judges may have missed a fine fact here or one factual nuance there. But he is one of those judges who always is well prepared with each one of the cases that he is hearing. And this is a speciality which I must mention. And of course, I must also say that he is a judge who functions true to his oath of office without fear or favor. Faces do not matter. It is the cause that matters, and it is really the client who's standing behind the lawyer who really matters. And as I said, he is a fair but a firm judge. Now, with so many people coming here and the entire range of representation across the cross-section of the country having come here, taken so much time, I'm afraid if I take more time, I may well be ending up committing what is called contempt on the face of the court. In fact, talking of contempt on the face of the court, I'm reminded of this very, very interesting anecdote which Justice Denning mentions in his Due Process of Law. This appears to have happened some 400 years back in 1631, if I remember right. There was this person accused who was convicted of felony. Those days being unevolved in terms of the judicial infrastructure and the paraphernalia, the accused, having been convicted, had become so infuriated by the conviction, apparently picked up a brickbat and threw it at the judge. Luckily for the judge, he had sat in a slanted position and he was not sitting straight. Because of that, the brickbat just whizzed past the judge and did not hit his head. So apparently, this is what Justice Denning added apocryphally. The judge said, if I had been an upright judge, I should no longer be a judge. Now, Justice Khanna is one of those upright judges who continue to do stellar work as a judge and will continue to do so as the Chief Justice of India. And we are extremely happy that he is going to head the judiciary. And I'm sure all the challenges that we have facing the institution will be handled in his able hands. And I'm thankful to the Bar Council of India for giving me the opportunity to felicitate Justice Sanjeev Khanna. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity to be as part of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Guru Krishna ji. Now, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, will deliver his address.
Followed the Honorable Chief Justice of India, the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Judges of High Court of Delhi, respected senior advocates, Chairman and the Vice Chairmen of the various State Bar Councils, Presidents of the various Bar Association, my esteemed friend Mr. Manan Kumar Misra ji, Apurva Kumar Sharma ji, the Attorney General for India, Mr. R. Venkatramani, ladies and gentlemen. The honorable dignitaries and esteemed members, respected members of the Bar Council of India, today we have gathered here united by a sense of reverence and pride to celebrate a remarkable milestone and the honor of Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna, the 51st Chief Justice of India. It is a moment infused with the legacy of commitment, wisdom, and a fair devotion to justice, which is Justice Khanna embodies with utmost grace. The journey to this position is paved not just by a legal acumen, but by qualities far deeper and more resonant. And as we reflect upon the Honorable Justice Khanna career and this grand responsibility he now embraces, we are reminded of the lines that Rabindranath Tagore, who said, "Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free into the heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake." Justice Khanna's ascents remind us that such a heaven of freedom is not simply an ideal, but continuous effort, a legacy crafted by those who interpret by law with courage and clarity. Indeed, as a Chief Justice, he becomes a guardian of not only of the rights of the citizens, but also a very spirit of our Constitution, a spirit that dares to stand against the injustice and strives for an egalitarian society. In his role, Justice Khanna, he will stand as a bridge between the law and his life, interpreting the letter with a pulse for its spirit. In this capacity, he is charged with the task of profound ethical and moral weight. He has spoken in the words of great American poet Walt Whitman. He has said, "I hear American singing, the varied carols. I hear likewise, we too hear the voice of our people, diverse and yearners, yearning of justice, harmony, and the truth." Justice Khanna has shown through his career in sensitive to these varied carols, the many voices from the backbone of just and inclusive society. His judgments have often carried out not only a logical force, but a profound the empathy of the human condition, the kind of tunes the black and white are the text and the colors of injustice. Today, we are celebrating the Honorable Chief Justice of India. We must also remember that our judiciary, both bench and the bar, shares a scared trust, just must interpret with the law and the wisdom humanity. Honorable Justice Khanna records this dedication as he steps into the new role. His stewardship symbolizes not only a personal achievement, but promises to every citizen. He reminds us that in a just society, the judiciary purpose of the more than an arbiter of disputes. It is the soul of the democracy, torch for the dignity. Sir, we are expected from the judiciary, the members of the bar, please kindly treat with the dignified manner throughout the country. That's what we want. We don't want anything else. And let us the honor of the Justice Khanna, by reflecting on the enduring promise of his journey, his leadership speaks of the integrity, wisdom, the compassion, and bedrock values of our judiciary. And let us be hopeful that in his tenure, the judiciary will continue to echo the great words of John Keats. A thing of the beauty of joy is forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. Justice Khanna, we may your legacy with the thing of beauty, one of the endures in the service of justice and in the lives of touch. On behalf of the legal community and the people of India, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to you, sir. We trust in your lordships and the leadership, assured that the scales of justice will be held with the strength, the balance, and unyielding dignity. Thanking you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhakaran. Now, Attorney General for India, Shri R. Venkat Ramani, will deliver his address. Before that, Mr. Venkat Ramani wants to present a memento to the Honorable Chief Justice of India.
Greetings and warm regards to the chairman and office bearers and members of the Bar Council of India. It's indeed a matter of great pleasure for me to greet and wish the Honorable Chief Justice on behalf of the legal fraternity of India. Let me welcome Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court and Honorable Judges of the High Court, and my dear sisters and brothers of the Bar. Occasions like this are beyond ceremonial. I should say that the Chief Justice rightly earned this position by dint of the varied contribution he has made to the administration of justice in manifold ways. It's also my personal happiness that I had the opportunity of wishing him during my tenure as Attorney General. The truckload of bouquets you received today will remain with you as non-wilting wishes. I always think that and keep saying that taking up judgeship is a kind of a renunciation. It demands from us a paradigm shift in our personal life and an orientation towards social concerns. In Indian philosophical thought, it is observed that we get born as humans to serve, and this is what is meant by paropakardam idam sariram. Sariram though means body, beyond the strength of the body is the stress on the strength of the mind. Strength of the body, ahimsa, fearlessness, independence of thoughts propelled by concerns beyond the self, and the urge to protect and defend what is good and right. You practice or stated as Shatra Dharma. That is, Shatratta kila trayade idish Shatram, which means to protect the others from injury. Doing justice is all about this. I wish to say that Chief Justice Khanna fits these qualities in good and grand measure, and he will be remembered for extolling and practicing these virtues of the judicial office with a remarkable balance. I wish, like all of you, that he had been blessed with a longer tenure to leave many more chronicles to posterity of great judgeship, as we always need them. I find from a brief glance of his opinion in the Delhi High Court, and many of them of great judicial virtue, that he rightly emphasized the importance of adherence to the following values in governance and decision making, such as integrity, transparency, normative objectivity, a term he used in the Delhi tariff determination case, and of course natural justice, on which due stress is laid in the MLA disqualification case. As one looks at what the Honorable Chief Justice has done his engagements with the Delhi Judicial Academy, the Delhi International Arbitration Center, and the District Courts Mediation Centers, one can see how his committed and tireless engagements in all these opened up profound opportunities for him as a chairperson of NALSA. His original thinking and contributions to NALSA to the cause of administration of criminal justice and jail reforms are matters of great inspiration for all of us. I do not propose to talk about the legacy he has already laid through some of the remarkable opinions in Supreme Court, penned with clarity and precision. There are many of them, and some of them will go down in Indian judicial history as good as the ADM Jabalpur judgment. As we expect more from his pen during his short tenure, we'll script high-quality notes on them as we receive them. And I'm sure he will give us great gifts. Being a judge, As the honorary being a judge of the Supreme Court, a most strenuous call in contemporary times, when balancing democracy and rights is a great challenge by itself. To head the institution with all its multitude of administrative and national calls is an unenviable task. Having been exposed to a great glance of them in my current position, I wish to place my sincere wishes to the Honorable Chief Justice for all comfortable tidings and to assure all possible assistance to him from me. As the honorary head of the Bar Council of India, appeal to the Indian Bar to strive towards new and higher responsible ways of assisting the courts. Felicitation event will be complete with such commitment. Sternness with softness in courts, equal regard to the members of the bar, concerns for rights with pragmatism, independence without rigidity, keenness to balance governance freedoms with judicial interventions are his hallmarks, and we look forward to more and more of them, that we continue to hail them as integral, not only to administration of justice, but to the role of the legal fraternity as well. Let me wish the Honorable Chief Justice a great and fulfilling tenure that constitutional history will etch without reservations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Venkatramani. Now I would request Honorable Justice Vibhu Bhakru, Judge, Delhi High Court, to deliver his felicitation address.
Well, I think Mr. Manan has done this to the High Court judge as well. Chief Justice of India, Justice Khanna, the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, my brother judges from the Delhi High Court, Mr. Venkatramani, the Attorney General, Mr. Manan Mishra. At the outset, I wish you all a very happy Gurpurab. Today is a very auspicious day, and I wish that all of us are guided by the wisdom of Guru Nanak Ji. We are here to felicitate Justice Khanna. I am really proud and happy to be present here for this purpose. I've had the privilege of opposing Justice Khanna in one or two matters actually, as a lawyer. I've had the privilege of appearing before him, and I've also had the privilege of sharing a bench with him in one or two matters. With Justice Khanna, he's actually a natural leader. He doesn't have to do anything for instilling a confidence that everything in the world would be right, everything fair would be done. He has walked this narrow and a straight path for as long as I can remember. I say this with great pride, and it's shared with every one of us who are from the Delhi High Court, that today he is at the helm of the judicial family. I am sure that he will leave. He has, in fact, already left an indelible mark with his judicial career. And I'm sure that he'll carry this forward. His tenure may be short, but I'm sure that it'll not be uneventful. It will surely be a meaningful one. And I wish him all the best in the years ahead.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request Honorable Justice Rishikesh Roy, Judge Supreme Court of India, to deliver his felicitation address.
I will not blame Manan Mishra ji because I told no. I will blame Ved Prakash ji, the master of the ceremony, for putting me before the microphone. It is indeed greetings to those on the dais and off the dais, the brothers and sisters of the legal fraternity. We are indeed gathered here to offer our greetings, congratulations, and best wishes to Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who's had a very distinguished career as a lawyer and as a judge, firstly of the Delhi High Court, and also as a very distinguished and one of the most hardworking judges of the Supreme Court. Justice Vibhu Bakru has rightly said, he has walked the narrow and straight path that all judges are expected to traverse with a sense of dignity, with a face of courage, and a spirit which is indomitable. I have had occasion on many days to have one-to-one chat with him. Few occasions when I have shared the bench with him and was always impressed by the way he conducted himself as the presiding judge. For young lawyers, there are many lessons to learn, and even for judges who have put in some years on the bench, there are lessons, important lessons to learn to how to conduct yourself. My salutation, my congratulations, and my sincerest best wishes to Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, Chairman Bar Council of India, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, will present a memento to Honorable Chief Justice of India. And members, Bar Council of India, please be ready for presentation of the Jumbo Garland. Bar Council of India members, please come forward.
नीचे छोड़ दो
Thank you very much, all members, Bar Council of India also. Now I request the Honorable Chief Justice of India and other dignitaries on the stage to release two bi-monthly magazines published by Bar Council of India, Bar Insights and Law and Liberty. Now these are going to be regular publications of Bar Council of India for development of law, justice and legal reforms. Suvir. Second also. Suvir. Yes, sir. Please provide the copies. And now the moment we have been waiting for. I have the honor to request the Honorable Chief Justice of India to deliver his address. Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Chief Justice of India.
Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Judges of the Delhi High Court, Mr. R. Venkataramani, the Attorney General of India, Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman, Bar Council of India and Member of the Parliament, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Apur Kumar Sharma, Chairman, Executive Committee, Bar Council of India, Mr. Ved Prakash Sharma, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, respected delegates and representatives of the State Bar Council, esteemed members of the bar, including senior advocates, I'm really overwhelmed with the welcome and greetings. Thank you so much for your kind words, Mr. Justice Rishikesh Roy, Mr. Justice Vibhu Bakru, Mr. Venkataramani, Manan Kumar Mishra, S. Prabhakaran, and Ved Prakash Sharma. It's been a long journey since I began practice in 1983. And then as a judge in the Delhi High Court in 2005, followed by my journey to the Supreme Court in 2019. In a way, then, when we look upon judiciary, how do we view the judiciary? What does the word judiciary mean? When we envision the judiciary, our minds are often gravitated towards image of judges in robes, presiding over courtrooms, delivering judgments that shape our lives of individuals and society. In the minds of many, judges are singular face of justice. Judges alone bear the respect and responsibility of ensuring justice is served. But this narrative is incomplete, if not fundamentally flawed. Judges are indeed a vital part of the judiciary, perhaps the most visible part. Judiciary is incomplete without advocates. Judiciary is, in fact, a collective name for the bench and the bar, where the judges are stakeholders in pursuit of justice. Advocates are part and parcel, playing the crucial and significant role in the judiciary. Judiciary is not 20,000 strong, consisting of the judges. Judiciary is equally fortified and represented by the advocates force consisting of, now I am told, about 27 lakh advocates. There are 5 or 6 remarkable ways in which the lawyers contribute to the judiciary. First, the rule of law is arguably the most basic requirement for any civilized society. Disputes are natural, so is their resolution. In ensuring the rule of law, you are the first face for anyone wanting or need of justice. You connect the citizens to the judges. You provide access to justice and judiciary. In other words, you are somewhat like the members of the legislature, the face, the mouthpiece, and spokesperson representing any and everyone in need of justice. You depict and portray the judiciary. Secondly, the lawyers, through their wisdom, not only assist the courts, but fundamentally shape the law of the land. You give meaning to the words in the statute. To quote the words of Justice H.R. Khanna, judges are more often shine in reflected glory. There are a good number of judgments which reveal not so much about the erudition of the judge as of the counsel who have argued the case. Thirdly, we, the judges, come from and go back to the bar. In a way, we belong to the bar. The better the bar, the better are the judges. Fourthly, lawyers voice diverse perspective and grievances. This not only makes the judiciary, but also our democracy vibrant. It is this plurality of voices in the courtrooms that play out through the deliberative process between a lawyer and a judge. To share personal observations, lawyers come from diverse backgrounds in the Supreme Court. This diversity and polyness contributes immensely to the court's advantage. Fifthly, disputes are always deeply rooted in complex socio-economic contexts which demand a thorough analysis and understanding of factual background. This is the subjective element of justice. Hence, complete justice demands that adjudication should not be restricted or an isolated academic exercise. Rather, it is through the lawyers that the bench grasps the nuances of the lived experiences of the parties. It is often thus said, with jurisprudence, lawyers most do it. But it is fact that they have all to do. With the sound views, their influence in many ways will be said to be incalculable. Ultimately, what is the judge's greatest concern? It is the apprehension of rendering a decision which falls short of doing justice. Thus, collaboration between the bench and the bar is crucial in upholding the spirit of justice. For these reasons, a well-prepared lawyer is an asset to the judiciary. It also means it is a tall burden cast on all of you, an oath no less than that of a judge, inherent in your role as an officer of a court. Lastly, when we refer to lawyers and judges as two wheels of the judiciary, we highlight their role in checking and balancing each other. It reflects the inbuilt checks within the judiciary. Advocate checks our actions, and we adjudicate, ensuring each fulfills their designated role. The accountability check must not be mistaken as confrontation. We are both accountable to the public as the judiciary. For example, addressing the issue of adjournments is not a critique of the judges or advocates. It speaks to the judiciary's commitment to improve as a whole. Though unelected, we are always accountable to the public and under their constant scrutiny. Today, we must acknowledge the the challenges that continue to hinder functioning of the bench, the bar, and the judiciary. While India boasts of world's largest lawyer communities in number, this numerical strength has not guaranteed quality and speedy access to justice. Backlog, delay, ease, and cost of access are systematic problems. If left unaddressed, they will threaten to undermine the vision of rule of law and shall stall the progress and development we all need. Fear of approaching the courts for justice must be dispelled. Friends, one of the effective ways to enhance accessibility and also assist the courts in efficient justice delivery system is through embracing resolution-oriented approach, particularly alternate dispute resolution methods. By promoting mediation and pre-litigation negotiations, prolonged legal battles, lawyers can help reduce the case backlog while offering clients more efficient, cost-effective solutions. This is visible. Today, lawyers proactively guide clients towards dialogue-based resolutions, explaining the trade-offs between litigation and mediation. They have evolved into skilled negotiators both inside and outside courtrooms, with the Bar Council particularly developing guidelines for pre-litigation strategies. Inspiration from this can be found in the Commercial Courts Act of 2015. Section 12A of the Act mandates mediation before filing of a lawsuit in commercial disputes. Additionally, the legal profession must embrace self-evaluation through initiatives promoted by the Bar Council and various associations. Lawyers must particularly assess how efficiently they manage cases, from strategies for quick disposal to timeline adherences as being mandated under the new laws. Today, we are witnessing a concerning trend where bright young legal minds are increasingly gravitating towards corporate law firm or leaving law altogether to pursue managerial roles. While corporate practice or house roles certainly come with their own merit, we must ask ourselves, are we the torchbearers of the legal community, somehow failing to guide the young lawyers towards public interest work? Who will represent the common citizens in future? The exodus of young talent from litigation practice is not merely about personal choice. Rather, it is symptomatic of the structural issues such as meager financial and social security in the profession, especially for the first generation lawyers. To attract community of young lawyers dedicated to serving the public, we must work towards making a profession a more conducive space, address entry-level barriers, and promote support. One step towards addressing these challenges is creating a minimum remuneration standard for young advocates in first few years of their practice. I applaud the recent recommendation of the Bar Council of India for payment of minimum stipend or remuneration to young lawyers in urban and rural areas. This would hopefully give early exposures to the young lawyers in the courtroom practice so that they can make informed career choices rather than defaulting towards corporate path. Today, district courts are adorned by erudite judges, and these courts have become bastions of robust courtroom practice. But more importantly, given the fact that the district courts have a direct connect with the grassroots and are the court of first and in most cases the last resort, the bar must be able to completely represent their concerns and aid the court in doing complete justice to the parties. In the 21st century, the practice of law has undergone a dramatic change. With rapid evolution of legal markets, the areas of law have become highly specialized. moving far beyond the traditional buckets of civil, criminal, and public law. Now we have the niche fields in insolvency, intellectual property rights, arbitration, which have carved out sufficient space for the legal profession. Even in criminal and public law, complex cases involving narcotics, forensic science, and even balance between fundamental rights such as privacy and freedom of speech challenge lawyers' understanding. This intricate landscape calls for young lawyers to embrace domain specialization and cultivate expertise in these domains. The role of the bar councils and bar associations is as a driving force in these initiatives cannot be stressed enough. Recent judgment of this court delineates the responsibilities and powers of the Bar Council. It authorizes Bar Council to conduct the All India Bar examination at a pre-enrollment stage. It also reflects upon the role of the Bar Council as stated and prescribed by Section 5 of the Advocates Act. While the Bar Council is not entrusted with direct and absolute control of the legal education, being the apex professional body of the advocates, it carries the duty of managing high standards of legal profession and equipping those who seek entry into that profession. Consequently, the Bar Council of India must work towards bringing accessibility and sustainability gap permeating in our profession. The Council must take up the baton of ensuring a conducive and sustainable work conditions. As I come to the end of my address, I'd like to implore to reflect on the path which lies ahead. As I stand before you, emboldened, for today our courts are filled with some of the brightest and brilliant young minds. Martin Luther King Jr. once observed, "Everyone can be great because everyone can serve." As we walk out from here, let us remember that the service we render unto others lies the true measure of our triumph. Together, we can raise the bar, the bench, and the judiciary. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Before I request Mr. Apurva Sharma to propose the vote of thanks, I feel like reciting a blended couplet. है बहुत अंधियार, अब सूरज निकलना चाहिए. जिस तरह से भी हो, यह मौसम बदलना चाहिए. मेरे सीने में नहीं, तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. Mr. Apurva Sharma to propose the vote of thanks. And thereafter, we have national anthem and then lunch.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. Justice Sanjeev Khanna, esteemed judges of the Supreme Court of India, other honorable judges from Delhi High Court, Attorney General for India, R. Venkataramani, Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman Bar Council of India and MP Rajya Sabha, my dear colleague Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, other esteemed colleagues of the Bar Council of India, respected senior advocates, distinguished members of the Bar and the legal fraternity, our honored guests from across the nation who have graced this occasion for their presence today, warm greetings and everyone a very good afternoon. On this momentous occasion, where we gather to celebrate the appointment of Justice Sanjeev Khanna, that is the 51st Chief Justice of India, it is my absolute privilege and honor on behalf of the Bar Council of India to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your gracious presence today. We are extremely grateful to our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Khanna, the Chief Justice of India, for accepting our invitation and gracing us with the august presence this morning. Justice Khanna's long-awaited elevation is not just a moment of pride for the legal fraternity, but also a reaffirmation of our faith in the core values of justice, integrity, and fairness. Throughout his illustrious career, Justice Khanna has been a beacon of hope for those seeking justice, and he has consistently upheld principles which form the bedrock of our Constitution and the rule of law. Chief Justice Khanna has recently outlined his commendable agenda, that is, number one, to reduce and tackle the backlog of pending cases, to simplify complex legal procedures, to ensure improved access to justice for all citizens, ultimately to make our courts more approachable and user-friendly. On behalf of everyone present today, I would like to applaud the Honorable Chief Justice of India for his initiative and wish him the very best as he begins his new chapter. As our chairman, Sri Manan Mishra, has already mentioned, we at the Bar Council of India, along with all the members of the legal fraternity, shall make our best endeavor to aid and assist you in the fulfillment of this agenda, my Lord. As we are entered this new chapter under the aegis of Chief Justice Khanna, let us affirm in his vision and our collective resolve to work towards strengthening the legal system and making it more accessible as well as efficient. The Honorable President of India recently said, quote, "Our justice delivery system must strengthen our onward march and just and fair society," unquote. Together, as a united bar and under the vision and guidance of Honorable Chief Justice Khanna, we shall continue our support and assistance to the judiciary at all at the level throughout the country. This event has been graced by the presence of so many stalwarts from the legal fraternity, from the Supreme Court as well as the High Court across India, senior advocates and leaders of the bar from every corner of the country, from northeast to Kanyakumari. Everybody is here today. I thank all of you for your presence. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you who have traveled from near and far to be part of this momentous occasion. Your presence here reflects our shared commitment to supporting the judiciary in its noble mission of delivering justice. Your support and solidarity reflects the strength of our legal fraternity and its commitment to upholding the values of our great democracy. Thank you, Chief Justice Khanna, for your inspiration, and we look forward to assisting and aiding you at each step to fulfill your vision. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Apurvaji. Honorable Chief Justice of India, sir, there are some students standing over there who have traveled long distances. They want a photograph session with you. Now, students, please come on the dais. Now please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you very much for your prize time. Now we have a lunch session. Please join us for the lunch. All of you, please join us for the lunch.